Stogie Travel. It's all about Stogie Travel. Just come and take Stogie Travel. All around the world. Stogie Travel. Lifestyle, Stogie will travel. Destination everywhere is waiting on your arrival. I'm talking about country to country and city to city. Stogie travels with Myra Gooch. I'll put you on the ditty. Fine libation, paired with Stogie sensations. Exploring cigar culture in every destination. Celebration of what's good in life. Bringing the world to your front door. Stogie travel, right? Stogie travel.
Put in a box all the cigars with the same color, darker or lighter won't make any difference. All these cigars on the table are same brand, same size, same blend, made by different rollers. Not all of these cigars were made by the same person. That's why when they take 25 cigars with the same color to put in a box, never all the cigars put in a box, all the cigars with the same color, darker or lighter won't make any difference. All these cigars on the table are same brand, same size, same blend, made by different rollers. Not all of these cigars were made by the same person. That's why when they take 25 cigars with the same color to put in a box, never all the cigars inside.
Preciosa. the end of our tour here at the Partagas factory. Now it's time to go have a smoke.